ba yung delivery? Sige, display niyo na.
Busy ah. Tara, Han. Break ka muna.
Han, I'm glad business is good, but I think you need to streamline na wala na tayong time for each other.
Agree naman, Han. Gusto ko rin mag-expand, but I don't know how.
Actually, mano-mano din ako noon sa business ko. Kailangan ko pang isa-isayin yung mga deposit slips. Pero nung nag-video business online banking ako, ang dali pala. Aside sa maraming branches, I was able to get paid online. Ang laking time saver.
Okay yan, love. Madali lang ba matrack yung records online?
Of course, Han. Real-time ang reports. So, kita mo agad lahat ng pumasok na payments.
Han, paano naman kung ako yung magbabayad sa suppliers?
Madali lang din. Hindi mo na kailangang pumirma ng maraming checks. May online check writing service kasi ang BDO. Check mo lang kung tama yung details and then click submit. Tapos, you can print your check with your signature. And kung may BDO account naman yung suppliers mo, you can pay them online.
Ang convenient naman. Yung pasweldo, kaya rin ba mapadali?
Of course, Han. No need na maglagay ng cash sa mga sobre at ibigay isa-isa. Sa payroll service ng BDO, upload mo lang yung payroll file, approve online, that's it. Tapos, makukuha na ng employees yung sweldo sa accounts nila in real time.
Dami naman palang magagawa sa BDO. Paano ba simulan yan?
Han, tawagan mo lang sila. Sobrang dali nilang kausap. They really find ways to help you grow your business.
Sige, Han, gawin natin yan so that we can have more time for each other.
Miss ko na nga ulit mag-date eh.